Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Daily Talk English.
And if you are new here, oh my God, you picked the best day to join us.
Jack, you say that every single episode.
Because it is true every single episode, Emma.
Okay. So, friends, before we start, just take a long breath right now.
Yes, seriously, breathe in and breathe out.
Because today, no stress, no pressure, no complicated grammar rules.
Just you, your home, and English. That is it. Simple.
And I love that because you know what? A lot of people think, okay, to improve my English, I need to go to a big school.
Or pay a lot of money for classes.
Or move to another country.
Right, like pack your bags, buy a ticket.
Just to speak English. No, friends, that is not true.
Absolutely not. And today, we're going to prove that to you.
Because your home, yes, your own home, is one of the most powerful places to improve your speaking English.
And we're going to show you exactly how. Step by step, super easy, super simple.
So today's topic is how to improve English speaking at home.
Ooh, I love this topic so much because I personally used these tips when I was learning too.
Wait, really? You're going to share your personal story today?
Maybe a little bit, you'll see.
Okay, friends, you heard it. Personal stories, real tips, and a lot of fun today.
And before we jump in, friends, please do us a small favor right now.
If you are watching this and you want to speak English better, just hit that subscribe button.
Yes, and tap the bell icon too, because we upload new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
5 days a week, just for you.
Because we know you're serious about learning English, and we're serious about helping you.
And if this video helps you even a little bit, please give it a thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow and helps more people find us.
Okay, are you ready, friends?
Let us do this.
Okay, so part 1 is all about daily habits.
Yes, and I want to start with something very important.
Tell me.
A lot of beginners, they study English for 1 hour on Sunday and then nothing for 6 days.
Oh yes, I know this feeling.
And then next Sunday, they study again and they feel like they forgot everything.
Yes, like, wait, what did I learn last week?
Exactly. And this is the problem. This is why so many people feel stuck.
So what is the solution?
Small habits every single day, even just 10 minutes.
10 minutes only?
10 minutes every day is 100 times better than 1 hour only on Sunday. I promise you this.
And friends, 10 minutes is nothing. You spend more time deciding what to eat for breakfast.
So true. Okay, so let us talk about the first habit.
Habit number 1, talk to yourself.
Now, before you think, oh, this is strange, no, it is not strange at all.
Actually, talking to yourself in English is one of the best things you can do at home.
Because when you talk to yourself, there is no pressure. Nobody is judging you.
No teacher, no classmates, just you.
So you can make mistakes freely, and that is where real learning happens.
Exactly. So, for example, in the morning when you wake up, you can say, okay, today is Monday, the weather looks nice, I am going to have a good day.
Simple sentences like that, in English, out loud.
Out loud is very important, friends. Not inside your head, with your mouth, with your voice.
Because your mouth needs practice, your tongue needs practice, your voice needs practice.
Yes, speaking English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Ooh, I love that. Speaking is a muscle. Write that down, friends.
Okay, habit number 2, describe everything around you.
This one is so fun and so powerful.
So here's what you do. You look at something in your house and you describe it in English.
For example, you look at your chair and you say, this is a chair. It is brown. It is made of wood. I sit on it every day.
Simple, easy, but your brain is working. Your English is growing.
And the beautiful thing is, you can do this anywhere. Kitchen, bedroom, living room.
Your whole house becomes an English classroom.
I love that. Your house is your classroom, and the best part, it is free.
Yes, no fees, no admission form.
Okay, habit number 3, and this one is my personal favorite.
Ooh, okay, tell us.
Habit number 3, repeat after videos and podcasts.
Ah, yes, this is called shadowing.
Yes, shadowing. And I personally did this when I was learning. I used to watch videos, pause them, and repeat exactly what the speaker said.
Same words, same speed, same feeling.
And slowly, my pronunciation got better. My flow got better. My confidence got better.
And friends, you can do this with our videos too.
Yes, please. Pause us anytime. Repeat after us. We speak slowly on purpose, just for you.
We are not in a race. We want you to understand every single word.
Exactly. So pause, repeat, practice. Pause, repeat, practice. Make it a habit.
Habit number 4. Keep an English journal.
Now, this does not have to be anything fancy.
Just a simple notebook, or even your phone notes.
Every day, write 5 sentences in English about your day, about your feelings, about anything.
For example, today I woke up late. I had tea and bread. The weather was very hot. I watched an English video. I learned 3 new words.
5 sentences. That is it. Done.
But over time, these 5 sentences become your best friend.
Because you can read them out loud too, so your writing and speaking both improve together.
And friends, when you read your old entries after 1 month, you will be shocked.
Yes, you will see how much you have improved, and that feeling is amazing.
It gives you so much motivation to keep going.
Exactly, so do not skip the journal, friends. It is small, but it is powerful.
Okay, last habit in part 1. Habit number 5. Change your phone language to English.
Ooh, okay, this is a sneaky one.
Yes, because you are on your phone all day anyway, right?
We all are, let us be honest.
So why not make your phone work for your English?
When your phone is in English, every notification, every button, every menu is English practice.
And slowly, your brain starts reading English without even thinking about it.
It becomes natural, automatic, like breathing.
And that is exactly what we want. English that feels natural, not forced.
So go to your settings right now and change the language to English. Do it today.
Yes, do not wait. Do it today, right now if you can.
Okay, so let's do a quick recap of part 1 habits.
Habit 1, talk to yourself in English every morning.
Habit 2, describe things around your house in English.
Habit 3, repeat after videos and podcasts, shadowing.
Habit 4, write 5 sentences in your English journal every day.
And habit 5, change your phone language to English.
5 habits. Super simple, super powerful.
And friends, you do not have to do all 5 on day 1.
Start with 1, just 1, and build from there.
Because small steps every day, that's the secret to real progress.
Beautifully said. Okay, are you ready for part 2?
Let's go.
Okay, so part 2 is my absolute favorite part of today.
Because
A lot of people say, I have nobody to practice English with at home. I live alone. My family does not speak English.
And this is a very real problem, a very common problem.
But here is the good news, friends. You do not need a partner to practice speaking English.
You heard that right. No partner needed.
Because we have some really fun activities that you can do completely alone, at home, and improve your speaking dramatically.
Dramatically. Big word, but it is true.
Yes, it is true. Okay, activity number 1.
Talk back to your TV or YouTube.
Yes, this one sounds a little crazy, but it works so well.
So here's what you do. You watch an English show, a movie, or a YouTube video.
And when a character says something, you pause it, and you respond to them in English.
Like you are having a real conversation with the TV.
Yes. For example, a character says, "How was your day?" You pause and you say, "It was good. I was a little tired, but I feel better now."
Simple response, real practice, no partner needed.
And the more you do this, the more natural your responses become.
Because your brain is learning to think in English, not translate.
And thinking in English, that is the goal, friends. That is the big goal.
Okay, activity number 2. Record yourself speaking.
Now, I know, a lot of people hate hearing their own voice.
I also hate it.
We all do, but trust me, recording yourself is one of the fastest ways to improve.
Because when you listen back, you hear your own mistakes.
You hear where you stopped, where you said too many times, where your pronunciation was not clear.
And when you hear it, you fix it naturally.
So take your phone, press record, and just speak for 1 minute about anything.
Your morning, your favorite food, your favorite movie, anything.
1 minute only. Then listen back. See what you want to improve and record again.
It feels uncomfortable at first, but after a few days, you will actually start enjoying it.
Yes, because you will hear yourself getting better, and that is the best feeling.
Activity number 3. Pretend you are a YouTuber.
Oh, I love this one so much.
Yes, so here is the idea. Pretend you are making a YouTube video at home, alone.
Pick a topic, any topic. It could be how to make tea, how to clean your room, my favorite movie.
And just talk about it, like you are explaining it to someone watching you.
Stand up, look at your phone camera, and talk.
You do not have to upload it anywhere. It's just for practice.
But the magic happens when you pretend there's an audience, because suddenly your brain switches to presentation mode.
You speak more clearly, more confidently, more naturally.
And every time you do this, you get a little bit better, a little bit more confident.
Confidence is everything in speaking, friends. Everything.
Absolutely. Okay, activity number 4. Sing English songs.
Ooh, yes. This one is so fun.
Because music is one of the most powerful tools for language learning.
When you sing, you're practicing pronunciation without even realizing it.
You're feeling the rhythm of the language, the flow, the natural stress of words.
And you're having fun at the same time, so your brain remembers it better.
Pick a simple English song, look up the lyrics, read them, understand them, and then sing along.
Start with slow songs, easy words, something comfortable.
And friends, do not worry about your singing voice. This is not a singing competition.
Yes, nobody is judging your singing. It is for your English practice only.
Exactly. Sing loud, sing proud, in your room, with the door closed if you want.
Yes, close the door and sing your heart out.
Okay, activity number 5, and this is a beautiful one to end with.
Tell me more?
Activity number 5, have conversations with AI or voice assistants.
Oh, interesting. Like Siri or Google Assistant?
Yes, or even ChatGPT, or any AI tool that can talk with you.
So you just talk to them in English?
Exactly. Ask them questions, have a conversation, describe your day to them.
And the best part? They never get bored. They never judge you. They never laugh at your mistakes.
Yes, they are the most patient conversation partners in the world.
So if you feel shy to practice with real people, start with AI. Build your confidence there.
And slowly, you will feel ready to talk to real people too.
Because confidence grows step by step, not overnight.
Exactly. Be patient with yourself, friends. Learning a language takes time, and that is okay.
It is more than okay. It is completely normal.
Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled just like you.
And the only difference between them and someone who never improved is that they kept going.
They kept going even when it was hard. even when they made mistakes, even when they felt embarrassed.
So please keep going, friends. We believe in you. We really do.
Okay, let us do a quick recap of Part 2 activities.
Activity 1. Talk back to your TV or YouTube videos.
Activity 2, record yourself speaking for 1 minute every day.
Activity 3. Pretend you're a YouTuber and explain topics out loud.
Activity 4, sing English songs and feel the language.
And Activity 5. Have conversations with AI or voice assistants.
5 activities, all free, all at home, all without a partner.
No excuses now, friends.
No excuses. You have everything you need right now, right where you are.
Okay, friends, before we say goodbye, let us do the full recap of today's video.
In Part 1, we talked about 5 daily habits: talking to yourself, describing things around you, shadowing videos, keeping an English journal, and changing your phone language to English.
And in Part 2, we talked about 5 fun activities: talking back to your TV, recording yourself, pretending to be a YouTuber, singing English songs, and practicing with AI.
10 things total. 10 powerful things you can start doing at home today.
You do not need to do all 10. Pick 2 or 3. Start there.
And be consistent. Show up every day, even for just 10 minutes.
Because 10 minutes every day will change your English. I promise you that.
We promise you that, together.
Yes, Daily Talk English promise.
Okay, friends, if you made it to the end of this video, wow, we are so proud of you.
Seriously, watching a full English video as a beginner, that is already amazing progress.
Give yourself a little clap right now. You deserve it.
Yes, clap for yourself, friends.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to us.
Subscribe to Daily Talk English if you have not already. New videos every Monday through Friday.
And comment below. Tell us, which tip are you going to try first?
We read every single comment, everyone.
So talk to us down there. We're waiting for you.
Until next time, friends, keep speaking, keep smiling.
And keep growing with Daily Talk English.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye, friends. Take care.